Hello everyone, welcome back to the English channel Smart Learning Pod, the place where English becomes simple, practical and powerful for your real life. Whether you are a beginner or already at an intermediate level, our mission is to help you speak English confidently, without fear, without confusion, and without feeling stuck. Today's episode is very special because we are going to talk about something that can change your future. Something that opens doors to universities, jobs, and opportunities around the world. Yes, we are talking about the IELTS speaking test. Now let's be honest, many students feel nervous when they hear IELTS speaking. Some students understand English very well, but when the examiner asks a question, their mind goes blank. Some students even say, "I know English, but I cannot speak fluently in the test." And others worry about grammar, pronunciation, and making mistakes. But today, we are going to change that completely. I'm Jessica, and with me is my friend Mark.
Hey everyone, I'm really happy to be here because IELTS speaking is not difficult, but most students make it difficult in their mind. Today, we will break everything down in a very simple way. If you follow what we explain, you will feel more confident, more relaxed, and more natural when speaking English in the test.
Mark, let's start from the basics. What exactly is IELTS speaking?
Great question. IELTS speaking is a face-to-face interview between you and the examiner. It usually lasts about 11 to 14 minutes. It has 3 parts. Part 1. Introduction and basic questions. Part 2. Long speaking. Cue card. Part 3. Discussion and opinion questions. But the most important thing is, it is not a knowledge test. It is a communication test.
So you mean they are not testing big grammar or difficult vocabulary?
Exactly. They are testing how clearly you can communicate your ideas. Even simple English can give you a high score if you speak fluently and confidently.
What is the biggest mistake students make in IELTS speaking?
The biggest mistake is thinking too much about perfection. Students think, my grammar must be perfect. I must use very advanced vocabulary. I cannot make mistakes. Because of this fear, they stop speaking naturally.
So what should they do instead?
They should focus on communication, not perfection. Small grammar mistakes are okay. What matters is fluency, confidence, clear ideas.
Let's start with real tips. What is the first important trick?
Never give short answers. For example, question, do you like music? Answer, yes. This is very weak. Better answer, yes, I really like music because it helps me relax after a busy day. I usually listen to music in the evening when I want to feel calm.
Some students try to use very difficult words. Is that good?
Not always. If you use wrong advanced words, your score will go down. Instead, use natural English words like happy, important, useful, interesting, difficult, easy. These words are powerful if used correctly.
Can simple words really get high band score?
Yes, IELTS is not about showing off vocabulary, it's about clear communication.
What about making answers smooth?
That's where linking words help. Use words like because, so, also, for example, in my opinion. Example, I like studying English because it helps me communicate with people around the world.
So, linking words make speech more natural.
Exactly. They connect your ideas and make you sound fluent.
Many students feel scared of part 2. Why?
Because they must speak for 1 to 2 minutes without stopping. But here, is the secret structure. Start introduction. Describe main idea. Add details. Give example. End naturally.
Can you give an example?
Sure. If the topic is describe your favorite teacher. I would like to talk about my English teacher. She is very kind and helpful. She always explains lessons in a simple way so students can understand easily. For example, when I had difficulty with grammar, she gave me extra practice. Because of her, I improved a lot. I really admire her teaching style.
What if someone forgets words during the test?
That is normal, but don't stay silent. Use fillers. Well, let me think. Actually, that's an interesting question. This keeps fluency alive.
Some students speak very fast. Is that good?
No, fluency is not speed. Fluency is smooth speaking. Speak clearly, naturally, with pauses when needed.
How can students improve quickly?
Practice daily. Even 10 to 15 minutes speaking practice helps. Talk about your day, your plans, your hobbies, your opinions.
So, speaking every day is important.
Yes, English is a skill, not just knowledge.
What is the final advice for students?
The right mindset is everything. Don't think, I must be perfect. Think, I must communicate clearly. Stay calm, confident, and natural.
So guys, today we learned that IELTS speaking is not about difficult English. It is about communication, confidence, and clear ideas. If you practice expanding answers, using simple vocabulary, and speaking every day, your fluency will improve step by step. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need effective English. Thank you so much for joining us today. See you in the next episode of Smart Learning Pod. Keep practicing and stay confident.